made it on the bus. We could have missed this and then we'd have to wait for like 2 hours. You see this bridge, it connects Luxembourg and Germany. At this point, we were on the Luxembourg side. No, but isn't it cool that like you're facing Germany from Luxembourg? The river in between is the Moselle River. This region is known to be Germany and Luxembourg's wine region. It's a shame that the weather is so dark, you know? If it was nice and sunny, it would have looked even more beautiful.
Yeah.
The plan was to go to one of the bigger German cities near Luxembourg and the easiest to get to with public transport. So Trier was the best option. Don't even know about this shop.
It's really nice.
Yeah. I thought we'd have to change the Luxembourg bus line to a line that goes straight to Germany. I didn't know Luxembourg public services can actually take you to Germany for free, since public transport is free in Luxembourg. The actual change to Trier had to be done in Germany. It doesn't help that some Luxembourgish bus stops sound very similar to German, so it was not so obvious that I had to change in Germany. This is on the bridge that borders Luxembourg and Germany. So here we're just entering Germany. Because there's an open border policy in the EU countries, you don't get any of your IDs checked. And this is now Germany, and we can look at Luxembourg from Germany. Lux side, from the Germany side. So that's Luxembourg and now in Germany. Well, that was quick, right? It looks pretty cool from here, doesn't it? That's a cute church. It really looks like Luxembourg, this area.
It's across the river.
Yeah. A lot of people who work in Luxembourg, they live in these towns near the border because rent is cheaper in Germany. Not just rent, but in general, the cost of living is cheaper in Germany compared to Luxembourg. So a lot of people would rather have a job in Luxembourg and live in Germany. The best thing is that the infrastructure between the two countries is good, so it's pretty easy to commute. Signs in Germany are going to be in German. In Luxembourg, it's usually French. They have so many doner kebabs out here. I see. Here there's a bus stop.
We're not
Yeah, we're in Germany, but then I'm seeing the post thing. It looks like the ones in Luxembourg. So do they use the same? You see there, that's where we get the train to. So we might need to get a ticket from here.
Yeah.
I hate that it's always raining out here. But then I guess it's like winter, right?
I guess. We are in this end of December, so it must be winter.
Finally, we're on the train to Trier.
Ja.
What? And it's good to enjoy the view as well.
Ja.
Can you see properly? That looks like England actually, doesn't it? Did you think so?
Yeah. Minus the balconies.
Some London houses do have balconies.
Der Bus ist ganz handvoll mit Schülern. Das ist dann
Those look like UK houses.
Kann ich mit Jacket aus durch die Laschen? Ja. Ist der Joch gelöscht, wir müssen doch sonst klar noch keine.
True.
It's south.
Naja, dann noch probiere ich die Gespräche. Ja, okay. Weil wir hier Süd und neuer Stadt.
Don't know why. It reminds me a bit of Austria. This type of apartments. The graffiti is crazy though. There's so much of it. Definitely more than London, right?
Yeah. It depends on the area you go to.
Leather fabric. So this is the train station in Trier. It took about an hour to get here from Luxembourg. Trier is a university city, so it is quite diverse. It has a lot of traditional German architecture. It also has a lot of museums. I can't pronounce some of them, but here's one museum right at the front of the high street. I was watching some videos, and apparently some countries don't have high streets. It's basically the main street in the middle of the town center. European cities have town centers where you do most of your shopping, banking, post. It usually has a church as well, or a few. This is a coffee shop. So what pizza do you want? There's so much variety here. Do you want the vegan one? I wanted to try something new, so I chose anchovies on pizza. Can we get one of these pizzas? Yes, please. Yeah, just one. FYI, most places in Germany don't take cards, so it's always good to have some cash with you. Also, the food is pretty cheap. That pizza was only about €4.50, which is about $4.80. Yes, please. You want to put cheese sauce on top of it? Yeah. I've never tried like Asian pizza before. Have you? No. So this will be your first time trying. Wow. Thank you. Oh, Happy New Year to you too. Wow, look at that. So good. Thank you. You can have like tiny pieces.
Oh,
We can have it outside.
Yeah.
Should we sit down?
Yeah, let's
Okay. Let's have a sit.
No? Yeah, that tastes quite good. Choco and bite.
Food's really cheap. Yeah, that's it. A pizza now. You wanna try it?
Yeah.
I think it's got cheese in it though.
Well, let's try.
Ooh, fancy.
You don't like it?
No. The sausages here. This is a Luxembourg, like pastry brand, or I would say a cafe or something. Look, there's like tea as well, bubble tea. This was a really cool tea shop. It also offers tea tasting sessions. It sells the best tea from all over the world. It also sells utensils for tea making and chocolate that complements tea. If you love tea and ever happen to be in Trier, I highly recommend this shop.
Also get a bag for you. Thank you. You take card, yeah?
Yes, we only take cards.
No, we get cards.
Well, there are one or two teas ready for you to try if you like, especially the Bollywood, which is a green tea with mango and ginger.
Sure, yeah.
So this is the mango.
Yes, it's a green tea with mint, mango, and ginger.
Ah, good. So it's mango, green tea, and ginger.
Cool.
I'm gonna try to drink. Great.
Is it good?
It's pretty good.
Can I try as well? Thank you.
She speaks English, you know. You don't need to struggle.
It's okay.
So he's been struggling trying to speak German, and then
Yeah,
he says most of the things wrong.
Yeah, it's a hard language actually. It's not easy. It's not easy for Germans either, so don't worry. My first language in school I had was French, then English, and then Spanish.
Oh, Spanish as well.
One thing I like about Trier is that even if you don't plan your day and just try to explore, you will come across something really cool. In this case, I didn't plan to see Karl Marx's museum. I didn't even know it existed. I just knew he was born in this city until I came across this bus stop. Then I knew I was near the house and I started searching for it. Little did I know it's a whole museum now. This is Karl Marx's house/museum now. I have a video tour on this museum. It shows more details and I'll leave the link in the description. The tickets to get in are only €5 each. I highly recommend this museum if you are interested in Karl Marx's work. For dinner, I wanted to try traditional German food. It's pottery, I guess, right?
Sorry.
That's fine.
Dankeschön.
Wasser schmeckt. Guten Appetit.
Thank you,
Merci.
Dankeschön.
Ooh, let's try it out. Let me see what this is. This is, so it looks like that inside.
Yeah.
And this is some mashed potatoes. Okay, I think we need some of this.
Good, bro.
Really good potatoes. Can we go home? you? Should we go?
Yes.
No, why are you just like staring at me? Like, you still want to stay in Germany?
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Or should we come back again tomorrow?
Maybe.
That is so cool. Thank you. Got so many of those.
This was a proper German place since 1904. You go in?
Yeah, definitely want one of those.
Come share it.
Yeah. Should we get that one?
See which one you want. Have a look at one of them first.
I want all of them. Hello. I honestly don't know how people can work in these types of shops and not eat everything. I don't know. That one is like pistachios, right? The green one.
Yeah.
Okay. Hesh, which one do you want? Should we get this one? I want all of them. That's the problem.
This one's my favorite.
It looks good.
So good.
Yeah. Can I have this one, please?
That's all?
Yeah, that's it. That one vegan? Ah, okay. This one's just like Oreo ones. Check it out.
And then it's 490.
Oh my god. This one looks nice as well. It's the raspberry chocolate. Oh my god. I do love the packaging though. It's so cute. You see that? Okay. Oh my god. Let's see. Wow. Okay, enough of the video. Let me eat. Oh, let's sit here. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. The way we had to run for that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.